first sneeze.
That's not his first sneeze. Hey. I'm popping. He's just out of it right now. He's looking at the thing.
What?
He's looking at it.
Should I put him these? Or should I put him these?
No, put him those.
These?
Those look warmer.
Yeah, I agree. Hey, you want to put on your socks? Oh, we gotta take these things off.
Call the lady cut these off, man. Ooh, bless you, puppy.
Alright, I'm working on it, believe me.
Okay, no, I understand. I'm not rushing you.
We want to put his socks on. We can't put them on.
That's alright.